Hello everyone. Today we're here to demonstrate a homemade volcano that my sons have made, and we're going to show you how everything works. First we have
Volcano and Atreus.
And we're going to do what?
We're going to demonstrate how a volcano will explode. So far we've added the baking soda, but now we add the hot water, then the vinegar. And then after that, you should see volcanic eruption. Okay?
Alright, go ahead, you can add the warm water.
Easy.
Hold the container, Atreus, so that it doesn't spill. Hold it for him.
Hi, it burned.
Pour. Just gently pour.
How's that?
A little bit more. Now switch container. Pour some of the other one.
Okay, Trace, remember to
Hold it properly.
Just so you know, I call him Trace. Sweet.
Alright, it's good. Now you can add the vinegar. Take off the lid off of it.
You got this.
Now Atreus, you can add the vinegar as well.
Okay, you ready? 3.
Pour it gently.
Yeah, I need this.
Pour it gently without that. And you should see, oh, an eruption! Volcano erupting. Mount Vesuvius.
Just down there, be like, yo, fam, this volcano's erupted. What are we gonna do? And I'll be all like, y'all gonna die. That's what you're gonna do. So yeah, that's the eruption.
That's our experiment, and that is a...
Volcanic eruption.
That's a wrap.
That's what I call an eruption. Remember the ingredients. Put it in your head and ask your parents if you want to do it. But I must warn you, it's messy. So you may want to do it in your backyard if you have a backyard, or somewhere that it could be, or at the party. Shoot. Atreus, out of here.
Kyle, out.